that tam there, no, yo, me I go buy a tam. And believe it or not, it is worn in Jamaica. Tam, a beanie, is worn in Jamaica. I don't know why, but it is. But it's most appropriate for colder areas where you can keep warm, keep your head and your ears warm. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be another Jamaican patois lesson for beginners. As usual, we don't want to draw it out, so let's jump straight into the video. But before we do that, you know I gotta tell you that if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. So for today's video, today we're going to do another list, probably 10 or so, of Jamaican patois, street words. So let's get started. So the first word is squatty. Squatty. I don't know that I've ever heard that word anywhere else, but squatty is what you'd call a street roaming police officer in Jamaica. So a police officer that basically roams the street because they protect the street. You'll call them a squatty. Wagwan squatty. So squatty is Jamaican patois word. The next word is going to be brethren. Brethren, and brethren just means a friend. You're referring to a friend and you call them your brethren. And I don't know why I'm getting the vibes that I may have mentioned this before. I'm not sure if I did brethren before, but it could have been on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, by the way, if you're not. DUp6, that's my handle on TikTok. So the word is brethren and it just simply means friends. Brethren in English, friend, simple. The third Jamaican patois word is going to be Popa. Popa, and Popa is what you call a father or any father figure. A Popa. Me Popa, yeah, me Popa said this, me Popa said that, yeah, me live with me Popa. Popa, P-U-P-P-A, Popa, and it's a father or a father figure in the Jamaican patois. The fourth word is going to be thump. Thump, not thump, which is an English word, but thump, which is a Jamaican patois word. Thump, and it just means to hit someone with a closed fist. So thump, hitting someone with a closed fist. Thump, thump, Jamaican patois word, thump. The fifth word in Jamaican patois lesson today is going to be bus. Bus, bus, B-U-S-S, and it just means to burst or break open. To break or burst open, or vice versa, to burst or break open. So bust means to break open or to burst open, and sometimes you'll hear friends use it like bust me no, like, you know, give me a money no, let me eat a food no, or something like that. So bust meaning to burst or break open. The sixth Jamaican patois word in today's lesson is going to be Bligh. Bligh, and it just means like a moment or a chance. Kind of like a moment of reprieve. So like, give me a Bligh, you know, like, you know, give me a break. Bust me no. For example, Bligh is used in Jamaican streets a lot, especially if you're driving. You'll see a driver pull out of somewhere and say, oh, give me a Bligh, or put up his hand asking for a Bligh. He just need a moment, he just need a break to join in the traffic. Just a break. I don't know how else to put it. So Jamaican patois word Bligh, which means a break in English or a moment of reprieve. The seventh Jamaican patois word in today's lesson is Festi. 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 It just means rude or facetious, you know. You're being rude, you're being feisty, you're being disrespectful. So feisty in Jamaican patois, rude or facetious in English. Feisty. Feisty, and I'll put in all the spelling. Next word is Ketch. Ketch, K-E-T-C-H, I think, like you would say ketchup, but not ketchup, just catch. And it just means to catch. It's catch, C-A-T-C-H. And it's catch, we say catch instead of catch. So catch. Catch in Jamaican patois, catch in English. Oh, throw that and I'll catch it. In Jamaican patois, we never say catch in patois, we say catch. Let me catch it now. Throw him, we catch it. Something like that. So catch in Jamaican patois, catch in English. Catch in Jamaican patois, catch in English. Ninth word in our lesson today is going to be tam. T-A-M. Only God knows why Jamaicans need to be wearing tam, because it's always summer there, but a tam is worn in a foreign country where there is winter days or colder days. You wear a tam to keep head and ears warm. So a tam is a beanie or a wool hat. So a tam, and it's probably an English word too, but that's a word that you'll hear in Jamaica talking about a beanie or a wool hat, a tam. Yo, me like that tam there, no, yo, me I go buy a tam. And believe it or not, it is worn in Jamaica. A tam, a beanie is worn in Jamaica. I don't know why, but it is. but it's most appropriate for colder areas where you can keep warm, keep your head and your ears warm. 10th word in today's Jamaican patois lesson is par, P-A-R, par, and it just means to hang out with a person. Yo, me a par with a person, or me a par, make a par with that friend, me a make a par. It's just hanging out with a person. So par means to hang out. Parring in Jamaican patois, hanging out in English. Par, hang out. So I know I've gotten to 10, but I have a few more words that I want to share with you in this lesson. And it's look, L-O-O-K, and look is an English word, but in Jamaican patois, look means something totally different. In Jamaican patois, look means to romantically approach a person. So look in Jamaican patois means to romantically approach a person. So you approach a person with the interest that, you know, you and them may have a relationship, but we call it look. Also, remember that we do say look in Jamaican patois, like look there, or just to get someone's attention, to see something, just like in English. But in the streets of Jamaica, in patois, you'll hear, oh, the boy a look me, or her husband a look me, you know, or me a look her wife, you know, or something like that, or me a look the pretty girl, you know, or something like that. You just approach them romantically. It's called look. So basically like showing interest or something like that. If you're even flirting with a woman or opposite sex or another person, you're flirting with them, some people say, yeah, ma look me. So look, just to approach romantically. The 12th word in Jamaican patois is pear in Jamaican patois, and it means avocado in English. So pear in Jamaican patois, avocado in English. I made a post like this on TikTok and people were going crazy and they want to know, so what do you guys call the fruit? Pear. If you call avocado pear, what do you call the fruit? And honestly, we do call the fruit pear as well, but it's not really a staple in Jamaica. It's not really a gem. So if you say pear in Jamaica, the first thing that comes to a Jamaican mind is avocado. We're not talking about that fruit, because while it's in Jamaica and a lot of Jamaicans know it, there are probably still Jamaicans that don't even know about pear, the foreign pear, the fruit pear. So when you say pear to a Jamaican, they're thinking avocado. So avocado in English, pear in Jamaican patois. And the 13th and last word that I want to mention in this lesson is tush. Tush just refers to a person that's uppity or stuck up. So tush in Jamaican patois, stuck up in English, or uppity in English. You know, a person that dress up all the time, think they're better than talking to another person, think they're better than being with another person, think they're better than another person. We usually refer to that person as tush, but in English it's uppity or stuck up. So tush in Jamaican patois is a word, tush. So I think I gave you guys 13 words, so that's going to be the end of today's lesson. I do hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next upload. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.